Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, yes, I did splurge just a little bit, and I bought the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's check it out. This is a first unboxing. I did slit this open, but let's take a look and see what all's in here. I'm pretty excited to get this thing going. Wow, cool. There's the Apple Watch box. And let's open this guy up. Oh, nice. So again, the Apple Watch is made with a titanium case, and I got the Starlight Loop band for it. So it is that white band that comes with it. Again, it's 49 millimeters in size. Wow, cool packaging. This is pretty neat. Let's turn that around so you can see it a little better. Yeah, pretty cool packaging. Oh, and there's two things here. So, yeah, you've got the watch itself and then the band. Let's get some of this out of the way. Cool booklet that just happens to match my set here. So that shows you all the different bands that you can get for it and the different colorways. Yeah, pretty cool. This is kind of their Apple's quick start guide for getting up and running. All the different buttons and information about the watch. The case is corrosion resistant titanium, and the top is a sapphire crystal. So it's very highly durable, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting this outside. You've got a side button, you've also got a crown guard, 3 microphone array, altimeter and depth gauge, and so much more. An action button, you've got the wheel button as well, precision dual frequency GPS, international orange color on the button for high visibility and quick access at a glance. It's also got a siren. Boy, there's all kinds of bells and whistles on here. And I plan to do future videos, and I'll put a card at the top once those videos are published, just on all the different functionality that comes along with this. I'm not a tech channel, I'm more of an outdoor channel, photography channel. But this is really going to help me with my adventures, and I want to show you how it can help you as well. So that's the booklet. Boy, let's get down to it, and let's open this watch up. So we've got a couple cool little tabs here. I love Apple packaging. It's just so nice. All right, so we'll set those aside. Designed in Apple, California, by Apple in California, and it's got the GPS location. That's cool. Let's open this guy up. Wow, that's pretty slick. Beautiful. Wow, this is even better than I thought. For comparison, I've got the I got the Suunto 7 on my wrist. You can see the difference in size, roughly. So they're pretty close. I have hesitated to buy the Apple Watch just because of its shape. I really like the round shape better. But this, I think, is going to grow on me. So yeah, really nice. Of course, it's Apple, so it's very well made. Let's see what else is in here. Charging cord. I'm not going to pull all that out, but looks like an easy to use charging cord. And then our strap. Let's check out our strap. We'll open that up. Again, this is just a first look. I haven't used this yet. Haven't opened it. Wow. So that's pretty nice. I love this this style. So there you have it. That is a quick unboxing. You'll see that on the actual strap there is an instruction booklet included too, so you can find out exactly how to attach your band and use it around your wrist. And yeah, I hope this was a helpful first look for you. A way that you can help me out with the channel is please hit that like button if this brought you some value. I will be posting additional videos on this watch and the various functions and how to use it for your specific adventures. And the other thing that you could do to really help out the channel is hit that subscribe button. That will help me immensely. I am trying to get to 1,000 followers coming up here, and so I'd really appreciate it if you follow along. Check out my unboxing videos. There's a playlist on my channel as well, in addition to full reviews that I do on my website at johnlagordia.com. Thanks so much for being here today, and I'm looking forward to getting this out in the field. Take care.